Hey, so today I want to talk about these they're called rivet nuts. Basically, they work like a rivet where when properly installed, they squeeze themselves out to the body, and then that way they don't move. So here's the screw. They come with a stainless steel screw. Now, this one's not so bad, but this one just moves a lot, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these off, get down the good steel, and I'm going to pop a couple very small spot welds on all four corners. This way, it'll stop it from moving. You don't have to worry if you're going to do a poor job in putting the new one in. And the other alternative are the rubber ones that you can put in here. But since this is in here and it's stock, since this stainless steel screw I have that I cleaned up with my thread cleaner is stock, and I also went and cleaned out the threads inside here as well, I am going to use the spot welds. So let's see how this works. This down. I don't want to take away the integrity of the top of this thing. I just want to get some metal showing, and I could put like maybe 4 spots on there, real little. Same over here. We'll see how it holds. If it doesn't hold, then we're going to have to go to the replacement portion of the video. But if it does hold, you're good, and you'll know it'll hold because you would want to go and test the screw in there, make sure it goes down all the way and gets torqued before you put this thing back together. Here we go. We have a successful some spot welds here. Sand it down so it wouldn't have any problem with attaching. A couple of spot welds over here, body, and chase the threads. Make sure you didn't leave any pieces in there. Make sure it goes down nice and smooth. I would say put some anti-seize on your screws, putting them in. So if you have to take these out, if it cracks for any reason, you get them out. My whole point in doing this is that when I get this painted, I want to pull the mirror off and get under here and paint the mirror separately and then stick it on the car. Just what I want to do. That's it for today. I hope you've learned something. Thank you, and please subscribe. Just so you see the final result. There's our screws in there, nice and tight. This thing was wobbling crazy. Not even moving. Doesn't even move when you shut the door or anything. Hope you enjoyed this.